In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use draw.io diagrams in Confluence and Jira. To get started, open the Confluence page or Jira issue where you want to insert your diagram. In this walkthrough, I'll be using Confluence, but the overall process is very similar in Jira as well. The main idea is that you'll open the editor, place the diagram where you want it, customize it, and then publish it directly into your page. Once you're inside the page editor, click in the exact area where you want the draw.io diagram to appear. After that, type a / followed by draw.io. This will bring up a list of suggestions. From those options, select draw.io diagram. A pop-up window will appear, and at this point, it's important to give it a moment to fully load before doing anything else. When the draw.io window finishes loading, you'll have a few options for how to begin. If you want to build your diagram completely from scratch, you can choose blank diagram. If you'd rather save time, you can start with a template instead. Template categories appear in the left panel, and there's also a search bar there if you already know the kind of layout you want. For this example, we're using a template, so go ahead and select one, then click Create. Next, wait for the editor itself to load. Once it opens, you can begin customizing the template. On the left side, you'll find shapes and connectors that you can drag and drop onto the canvas. This is where you build out or refine your diagram visually. If you click an existing object, you'll see handles that let you resize it, a rotation handle near the top to turn it, and connector arrows on the sides to link it to other shapes. You can also click and drag selected objects to reposition them on the canvas. If you want to remove something, simply select it and press delete on your keyboard. For text, double-click the text area to edit it. You can highlight the existing text and replace it with your own. On the right side of the editor, you'll see formatting controls for the selected object. These are organized into sections such as Style, Text, and Arrange, which makes it easier to fine-tune the appearance of your diagram. Once you're happy with your changes, click Publish in the top right corner. You'll see a loading indicator showing that the diagram is saving. Wait until that process is complete, and your draw.io diagram will then appear on your Confluence page. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a draw.io diagram in Confluence or Jira.